Dear students, we are going to discuss in this semester with this subject energy, science and engineering. As we know that this subject is made up of three words: energy, science and engineering. Energy, which is the minimum requirement to do anything, or the thing which is needed to perform anything, that is energy. What is science? When we are synchronize our knowledge in a systematic and scientific manner to construct something, that is termed as, that branch is termed as science. And what is engineering? By the use of scientific principle to design and build machine, structures, items, bridges, tunnel, roads, or any home appliances, whatever, that is termed as engineering. So we can conclude that by the use of energy in a scientific and systematic manner, we can design something to make our world better. So now we are going to discuss in this subject second unit, that is concern of nuclear energy. Nuclear energy, or in this unit we are going to discuss about the fundamental forces in the universe, nuclear forces, nuclear binding energy, nuclear fusion, fission, and last but not least, that is nuclear reactor. Nuclear reactor is a demanding subject of present scenarios, especially in India, because we are trying to produce electricity by the help of nuclear energy, and the thing which is important for to make nuclear energy into, or to convert nuclear energy into electrical energy, that is nuclear reactor. So these are the topic which we are going to discuss in this unit. Today we are going to discuss about the first topic, that is the fundamental forces of universe. There are four fundamental forces in the universe, that is now before discussing the fundamental forces, firstly we have to discuss about the force. So as the matter written in your slide, that is walking on the street to launching a rocket into space to sticking a magnet on your refrigerator, physical forces are acting all around us. It means that to perform or to convert energy into work, the thing which is needed, that is force. यानी एनर्जी को फोर्स में बदलने, एनर्जी को वर्क में बदलने के लिए हमें उस पर फोर्स लगाना पड़ेगा, देन एनर्जी जो है वो वर्क में कन्वर्ट हो सकती है. एंड व्हेन एनर्जी इज कन्वर्टिंग इनटू वर्क, देन इट वुड बी यूजफुल. So that is the basic funda of work, but force. But in the universe, actually, this force is working by four forces: gravity, the weak force, the electromagnetism, and the strong force. Now, what is gravity? Gravity is the attraction between the two objects that have mass or energy, whether this is seen in dropping a rock from a bridge, a planet orbiting a star, or the moon causing ocean tides. Gravity is probably the most intuitive and familiar of the fundamental forces. In simpler term, we can understand, if you want to stand on the earth, you cannot stand even if gravity is not present over. That is the reason that we cannot stand on other planet just because of the absence of gravity. आप कभी भी किसी मून पे या किसी भी प्लैनेट पे देखते हो तो वहाँ पे लोग फूड को पेस्ट के फॉर्म में इसीलिए लेके जाते हैं, क्योंकि वो अगर उसको पेस्ट के फॉर्म में नहीं लेके जाएंगे तो ग्रेविटी के ना होने की वजह से वो किसी भी चीज़ को ग्रेविटी के थ्रू ही वो हम स्टैंड करते हैं और उसको इनटेक कर सकते हैं. तो जब ग्रेविटी ही नहीं रहेगी तो वी कैन नॉट स्टैंड. जब हम स्टैंड नहीं कर पाएंगे तो किसी भी फूड को हम इनटेक प्रॉपरली नहीं कर सकते. सो दैट इज़ द नीड ऑफ द ग्रेविटी. एक्चुअली आई वांट टू टेल यू द वीक फोर्स इज व्हाट. The weak force, also called the weak nuclear interaction, is responsible for particle decay. Particle के decay यानी अगर दो atom they are very far to each other, then it is very easy to deform it. But if we are very close to each other, then we cannot deform it. So that's why it is termed as weak force, because atom को हम कभी भी, जैसे if we want to boil water, तो water क्यों boil हुआ? क्योंकि atoms जो है वो एक दूसरे से दूर गए और उनको space मिला. तो सबसे easy है किसी भी atom को एक दूसरे से अलग कर देना. That's why it is weak force. The electromagnetism is a most important force. We can say that it is also termed as Lorentz force. It indicates its name like electromagnetic force consists of two parts, the electric force and the magnetic force. And I want to tell you that the rays which is coming from the sun towards earth, it is coming by the force, by the help of force, that is EMF, that is electromagnetic force, and which we will discuss in a first unit and topics. So electromagnetic radiation, that's why it is termed as electromagnetic radiation, because it is coming from sun to earth by the help of electromagnetic force, that is electric force and magnetic force. And the last one is that strong force. Why it is termed as a strong force? The strong nuclear force, also called the strong nuclear interaction, is the strongest of the four fundamental forces, because it's a 6,000 trillion times stronger than the force of the gravity. Hyperphysics, according to Hyperphysics website. So nuclear, the strong nuclear force is also, we can say that if in any atom, like प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स, हम सभी फैमिलियर हैं इस प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन से, तो जब कोई भी एटम में न्यूट्रॉन और प्रोटॉन को बाइंड करने के लिए जिस एनर्जी की ज़रूरत होती है, दैट इज़ न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी. इसको हम स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट क्यों कह रहे हैं? क्योंकि अगर एटम ही आपस में बाइंड नहीं हो सकते, इफ एटम कैन नॉट बाइंड विद ईच अदर, देन इट इज़ नॉट एबल टू मेक एनी मैटर, एंड इफ मैटर इज नॉट प्रेजेंट इन द यूनिवर्स, देन कैन नॉट survive. That's why it is termed as the strongest force of whole universe. So in today lecture, as I told you that about the fundamental force, in next lecture we are going to discuss about the other topic of that unit. So till then, take care and goodbye.